Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in a Volkswagen Passat. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect yourself from hot oil and potential splashes. Make sure your Passat is on a level surface and securely supported by jack stands, never just a jack. It's also crucial to let the engine cool down for at least 30 minutes to avoid severe burns from hot components or oil. Your safety is our top priority. Now that safety is covered, let's drain the old oil. First, position a suitable drain pan directly beneath the oil pan. Using a 17mm wrench, carefully remove the drain plug. Be prepared for the oil to flow out quickly. Let all the old engine oil drain completely, which usually takes about 10 minutes. Once drained, replace the drain plug with a brand new crush washer and tighten it to 22 foot-pounds to prevent leaks. With the old oil drained, it's time to replace the oil filter. Locate the old filter, often near the front of the engine, and use an oil filter wrench to carefully remove it. Be aware that some residual oil will likely spill out, so have your drain pan ready. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin film of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. Then, hand tighten the new filter until it's snug and give it an additional 1/4 turn. Finally, let's add the fresh engine oil. Refer to your Volkswagen Passat's owner's manual for the precise oil type and the exact capacity, which is typically around 5½ quarts. Carefully pour the new oil into the engine's fill port. Once filled, start the engine and let it run for about 30 seconds to circulate the oil. Then, turn it off, wait a few minutes, and check the oil level using the dipstick. Also, visually inspect for any leaks around the drain plug and filter.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.